Hi! Welcome to our Wiggle and Stretch channel. Let's move, play, and learn together. Time for alphabet yoga. Can you follow me and hold the pose while we learn letters from A to Z? Let's go!
Hello, little yogis. Welcome to Wiggle and Stretch. I'm Dr. Lu, and today we are going on a magical alphabet adventure to learn all about the letter C. If you're ready to stretch and play, ask a grown-up to hit that like button and subscribe so you never miss a video. Let's get started. Let's start by making a giant capital letter C with our bodies. Stand up super tall like a straight line, reach both arms way up high to touch the clouds, and gently curve your entire body over to one side. Imagine your body is a beautiful crescent moon shining brightly in the dark night sky. Hold your perfect letter C shape steady. Don't let your crescent moon tip or drop out of the sky. Look at our new slow motion demo on the screen to see how smooth we bend. We are almost there, little moons. Keep stretching your side and breathing. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Wow. Stand back up and shake it out. C is for cat. Come down onto your hands and knees like a furry little kitten on all fours. Now, push your paws hard into the floor and arch your back up toward the ceiling as high as it can go. Imagine you are a fluffy, happy cat doing a big stretch right after waking up from a cozy nap. You can even say, meow. Hold your cat position right there. Keep that furry back rounded up high to the sky. Look down at your tummy. You are doing a wonderful job stretching like a kitty cat. Keep holding your paws strong. We are almost there. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Wow. C is also for cow. Stay on your hands and knees, keeping your back flat like a sturdy farm tabletop. This time, let your belly drop down toward the grass while lifting your chin up proudly to look at the sky. Imagine you are a friendly cow standing in the green meadow, enjoying the sunshine. Let me hear a big moo. Hold your position, friendly cows. Keep that belly dropping low like a heavy, full bowl of milk. Look at how steady and strong your farm table is. We are almost there. Keep breathing in the fresh meadow air. Hold it right there. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Wow! C is for Cobra. Lower your body all the way down onto your tummy like a snake sliding through the jungle. Put your hands flat next to your shoulders and slowly lift your chest up high. Imagine you are a long, smooth cobra snake lifting its head up out of the tall grass to look around. Give me a soft Hold your cobra position. Keep your shoulders down and your snake heart shining forward. You look so graceful. Don't let your snake belly lift off the ground. Keep it glued down. We're almost there. Keep peering over the grass. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Wow. Slowly slither back down. C is for crab. Flip your body over and sit on your bottom. Place your feet flat on the ground in front of you and your hands flat behind your back. Now push your tummy all the way up to the sky. Imagine you are a little beach crab walking on the sand, lifting your shell high. Click your imaginary claws if you can. Hold your crab position. Keep your tummy lifted way up high so your crab shell doesn't sink into the warm sand. Use your strong leg and arm pillars. We are almost there, little crabs. Keep holding. Feel the sunny beach breeze. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Wow. Lower your bottom gently down. C is for chair. Everybody stand up on your feet. Bring your feet close together. Bend your knees and sink your hips low as you reach your arms straight up past your ears. Imagine you are sitting back into a magical, invisible chair made of glowing fairy light. Hold your position in the air. Your legs might start to feel heavy, but you have giant, giant power. Keep your chest up proudly so you don't fall out of your invisible chair. Stay steady, yogis. We are almost there. Keep breathing and holding your magical seat. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Wow, stand all the way up. C is for chopping. Step your feet wide apart. Clasp your hands tight together above your head like you are holding a big imaginary axe. Take a deep breath in and swing your hands down between your legs. Imagine you are safely chopping wood to build a warm, roaring campfire. Hold your position right down there at the bottom of your swing. Let your head hang heavy like a big sleepy pumpkin. Feel the wonderful stretch in your legs. We are almost there, just letting our bodies relax after all that hard work chopping. Keep holding. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Wow, slowly roll your body back up to stand. C is for clam. Sit all the way down on your mat and stretch your legs out straight. Reach your arms high up and fold your upper body forward over your legs. Imagine your body is a beautiful clamshell resting on the quiet ocean floor, closing up tight to keep a shiny pearl safe inside. Hold your clamshell closed tight. Pull your chest down closer to your legs to protect your treasure. It is okay if your hands can't reach your toes. Just keep your pearl safe. We are almost there, just breathing softly like gentle ocean waves. Hold your shell still. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Wow, open your shell back up. C is for crocodile. Place your hands flat on the mat and step your feet all the way back so your body forms one long, flat line. Imagine you are a tough, strong crocodile floating completely still just at the top of the river water. Hold your position. Tighten your tummy muscles like a hard armor vest. Don't let your crocodile belly dip down into the river mud. Keep it high and straight. Press your paws firmly into the earth. You are doing amazing. What a powerful river creature. We are almost there. Hold it steady above the water. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Wow. Drop your knees down. C is for cradle. Roll over onto your back, lift your feet up into the air, and grab the edges of your feet with your hands. Bend your knees down and rock gently side to side. Imagine your body is a cozy wooden cradle, rocking a tiny baby to sleep. Hold on to your baby toes and keep rocking. This rocking motion makes our backs feel so happy, warm, and safe. Rock gently, side to side. We are almost there. Keep your cradle moving smoothly. Feel how relaxing it is to rock in the nursery. Almost there. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Wow, give your knees a big hug. C is for child. Roll up to sit on your knees. Lean your body forward and rest your forehead all the way down on the floor as you let your arms rest softly beside your legs. Curl up small and imagine you are a safe, sleepy child resting quietly under a big, warm, soft blanket. Hold your position and be as small as a mouse. Take deep, quiet breaths into your back. You are so still, so small, and so completely safe in your room. We are almost there. Keep resting your heavy head like a peaceful child. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Wow, so peaceful. Our final C word is calm. Gently roll onto your back, stretch your legs out long, and rest your arms loosely by your sides with your palms facing up. Close your eyes tightly and imagine your whole body is becoming as light, soft, and calm as a fluffy white cloud floating across a blue sky. Hold your cloud position. Just float and rest. You worked your body so hard today, and your muscles are so happy. We are almost there. Keep resting quietly with no wiggling at all, just drifting in the warm breeze. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Wow! Slowly start to wiggle your little fingers and wiggle your little toes. Take a big, deep breath, stretch your arms all the way overhead, and gently sit back up with me to cross your legs. Let's finish with our special calming breath. Put your hands together right at your heart. Thank you so much for doing alphabet yoga today on Wiggle and Stretch. I hope you feel wonderfully grounded and centered. You did an amazing job with the letter C. See you next time when we learn the letter D. Namaste. Bye-bye.
From A to Z, we stretched and we played, learned every letter, a yoga parade. We balanced and bent, we twisted and flew. Alphabet yoga, we love you. Stretch and learn, breathe and grow. Seeds of knowledge, watch them sow. With every pose, a letter we knew. Alphabet yoga, it's true.